The Surplus 482 visa, which is temporary skill shortage visa, which is designed to invite skilled workers to come to Australia and work up to 2 years. Here are some key benefits of holding a 482 subclass visa. First, work in Australia. Holding a 482 subclass visa will be giving a sponsorship to be in Australia to work under nominated organization. Second, you can bring your family along with you, and that family members who will be dependent on you can able to work and study in Australia. The person who is holding 482 subclass visa will be allowed for multiple entries and exit to and from Australia, and this would be valid until your visa expires. Fourth benefit is healthcare, in which 482 subclass visa holder will have to enroll in healthcare administration, in which they will be getting care and support from the health clinic for the residents. Pathway to permanent residence. So, after completing the circumstances of 482 subclass visa, you can directly apply for PR after 2 years. So, for instance, if you are applying for permanent residence category from India itself, and if you are not able to match that category, you can try this 482 subclass visa, where you will be able to work for 2 years and where you can bring your dependents along and directly apply for the permanent residence at the end of the stay. Another benefit is about skills and experience. So working in Australia will give you valuable skills and experience in a very good way, which will benefit in your career path for the long term. Now the question arises, how Apex visas will help you? We are here to assist you, to prepare you for the interview, and then after we will be scheduling a meeting between the Australian companies and you, where you will be giving your interview, and we will try our best to get the offer letter from Australian company. Moreover, currently there are ample of openings for skilled and unskilled occupations. If I talk about skilled occupations, there are openings in teaching, hospitality, electrician workers, construction workers, and if I talk about unskilled occupations, there are requirements for warehousing handling, delivery people, fill station attendants. So now let's talk about the process. Firstly, you have to submit us your updated resume. Then after, we will be doing the assessment, and if we feel that your profile is eligible, we will start with a preliminary discussion. After that, we will schedule a mock interview, where we will take basic questions interview, and if we feel that your profile is eligible, we will move forward. Once after we are done with the mock interview, then after you have to submit us the documentations, and then after we will schedule a meeting between Australian company and you. Once you are selected and you get the offer letter, then we will go ahead with the process of labour market system and business sponsorship, and then after we will be getting your nominated letter and we will apply for a visa.